to the point where when you start building up a list of 10,000 people and start making $10,000 a month, your life will change forever. Hey folks, Joel here, and today I'm going to show you how I made over $250,000 promoting one affiliate program. So you might be asking yourself how did I make that much money, and what do you promote to affiliates when you want to make good money? Well, there's a couple of things. There's desperation markets, and there's also things that people need. So what is a desperation market? Well, the desperation markets are health, wealth, and relationships. So I do a lot of promoting there. But today I want to talk to you specifically about specific things to promote that people need. Well, if you're doing online marketing, one of the key things that people absolutely need is good quality targeted traffic to their website. So I'm going to just log in here to one of the affiliate programs that I do promote called Traffic Authority, just to show you the possibility of what can happen when you're building an income online and you're doing effective marketing that way as well. So here we are. Just going to come to the commissions, and you'll see here it's been a pretty good week so far. So today I generated $336 in commissions, almost $1,000 yesterday. In the past month I've generated $10,000. In the past year, $100,000, all passive, and all time now $233,243 in commissions. So things that people need convert very, very well. So the second question is how did I do it? How did I generate that much traffic or that much income promoting a traffic program? And the answer is through your list building. You're going to hear me say this again and again and again and again and again. The key to your success is focusing on generating leads first, not sales. I remember when I got started again years ago, I was sending a massive amount of traffic trying to sell people a website and a domain name. That didn't work at all because I didn't have any sort of brand. The minute I started focusing on generating leads, meaning giving people something of value that solves their problem for free, without expectation. Below this video, as an example, I'm going to give you a direct copy to my ebook on list building, because list building is the key to your success. Once you build a large email list of followers and people that know, like, and trust you, then you can promote just about anything that you want and generate a great income doing so. Grab my ebook, read it thoroughly, so that you can come to understand know, like, and trust through email marketing. Because let me tell you this, once you build your list, it's predictable income. You can expect to make about $1 per subscriber on your list every single month. Meaning what? If you build up a list of 100 people, which is super easy to do, you're going to make $100 a month. If you build it up to 1,000 people, which again is very easy to do, you're going to make $1,000 a month. And now, when you start making $1,000 a month, if you start reinvesting into more traffic to build your list, well, then it goes and it compounds itself, happening quicker and quicker and quicker and quicker, to the point where when you start building up a list of 10,000 people and start making $10,000 a month, your life will change forever. So again, focus on things that people need and focus on the desperation markets, which is health, wealth, and relationships. Look, if you like these videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification button so that you can be notified every time I do these videos. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.